Introducing the heavy-duty 4-panel Rhino pet enclosure from Store for Paws. This incredibly robust pet pen is constructed from high-grade, dark grey powder-coated steel, which gives it excellent anti-corrosion properties. It can be used indoors or outdoors and comes complete with a hygienic removable plastic tray. It measures 124 centimetres in length and 80 centimetres width and is 90 centimetres high. It features an integral door that's 56 centimetres wide and 62 centimetres high and comes complete with 2 lockable latches, so you know that your pet is safe and secure.